bring you up to speed. So first up, let's start with A9 search algorithm. So the A9 search algorithm, well, all that is, it's just what Amazon calls its own code for its search engine. So when I do a search here for vitamin C serum, for instance, what gets to work behind the scenes is Amazon's A9 search engine. Okay, so that's what that means. That's all that is. It's just an internal designation, internal naming protocol that they use for that. They also license that search engine code out, and companies like Marks and Spencer's, for instance, they use the A9 algorithm on the Marks and Spencer's website, which is how I got my grubby little mitts on the search code too. All right. So with that being said, so this is the most important things that Amazon is looking for when it comes to the search engine is this part here. That is the number one thing that the search engine checks to get a sense of what your product is and what it should index your product for. Now, indexing. Indexing just means that Amazon takes a word, so vitamin C serum, that's a search phrase. It takes that search phrase, because there's more than one word in it, and links it up to this product. And by doing that, your product, or this product, then has the opportunity to get shown anytime somebody searches for vitamin C serum. Now has the opportunity, because Amazon has linked them together, and that linking process, we call that indexing. It just means it gets put into a big file, a big indexing file. So when Amazon wants to go look for vitamin C serums, it's got the potential of pulling yours out too. It's like putting it into a big folder called vitamin C serum products. Okay. All right. So that is, Nick, the most important place to put your search term, and they have done a very good job here by putting that search term front and center right after their brand name, which is exactly where it should go. Right after your brand name should go the main search term or phrase, whatever you want to call it, that you're trying to get your product ranked for. So that's that. Next, it should go in to this part here, vitamin C serum. Here it is. So it should also go in here. So whoever's done this, they've done a good job of their SEO. Should go in the first bullet of the bullet benefits. Okay, should go in there. Should also go in here in your product description as the main search phrase. Let's see if we can find it. Here it is, vitamin C serum. Notice it's in bold as well. Now, I am yet to see that making a difference, but it's interesting that they bolderized it. All right, so that's at the front end. That's client facing, what your customers look at. Now, two other places where it should definitely goes, and that is in the Seller Central when you're putting up the thing, and it should go into your search terms. So in the search terms, when you're setting this up, you should put vitamin C serum. And it should also go into the subject matter as well. So it should go in search terms, should go in subject matter. That is, Nick, the best way of doing that. And it does definitely matter how you phrase it. So you want to use the exact match vitamin C serum. You want to use it as exact match, not vitamin serum or serum with vitamin C, for instance. That's not what you want to do. It goes in once and it goes in exactly. That's how you do it. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales have used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.